Grindelwald's office?
Yes. Is this the ICO office?
One moment. Hello?
Yes. I'm trying to get in touch with the ICO office, the Independent Contract Office.
Okay.
And I need to know who oversees, or like the supervisor, I don't know what you call it, Pablo Navarro.
Well, you have to tell me who you are and what's your issue.
Well, my name is Celeste Cortez, and my issue is that my attorney doesn't call me back, and he doesn't represent me, even though he says he does, and that he's probably receiving payment for. And I would like to know, well...
You're not paying for him, are you?
Well, ma'am, in a way I sort of am. You know, the American people pay for it when they pay tax dollars, so it doesn't matter if the county's paying for him. He's still receiving payment for his services.
Represented you?
Huh?
How long has he represented you?
For a little over a year now.
A little over a year. All right, Celeste, why don't you give me your phone number and I will contact him and have him call you.
You know, I would like to correct that statement. He has not represented me at all, but he has been on paper and receiving payment for a year.
You know, I understand what you're saying. We don't need to get all detailed, and I understand you want to vent, but the best solution is to resolve the issue, and if you give me your contact number, I can call him and have him contact you.
Okay, it's 619.
619?
634. 1885.
So that's 619-634-1885, yes?
Okay, and you said for him to contact me. You're talking about Pablo Navarro?
Yeah, I know who you're talking about.
Yeah, so you don't have he don't have a supervisor or anybody that's over your independent.
I'm the one that I can call him and have him contact you.
Oh, okay, but that's avoiding my question, sweetie. There's nobody that oversees your department?
We're all independent contractors. If you have an issue with him, you need to address that to the court if you want another attorney. Okay? Now,
okay, well, the court has refused.
I will call him and have him contact you.
Okay, so the court has refused that. I am forced to have him stay on the paper as representative and not representing me. But my question is, so there's nobody over him in your office?
What is it you want? I'm offering you a solution.
Okay, well, what I'm saying is, I want a yes or no.
What do you want? Or you want to get him in trouble?
No, I want a yes or...
Because I'm going to call him right now and have him call you.
Well, don't you think waiving my right to a trial without my instructions, refusing to introduce evidence, and refusing to let me have witnesses, and having me be separated from my children unjustly and illegally is worth getting in trouble?
If you've addressed these issues with the court and a judge has said that he is your attorney, then obviously the court does not think he's not doing his job.
No, you know, obviously they have their motives for not letting me have an attorney or have. But why can't you just simply say yes or no? Does he have a supervisor? I mean, it doesn't. You don't have to have a law degree to answer a question simple yes or no. Does he have a supervisor? She hung up on me. Of course, you don't want to answer, does he have a supervisor? No.